moment. So don't sit there and go, oh, he's going the wrong way, the fool. He's taught us the other way. Yeah, well, I have. And I'll show you in a minute. Directional trowling. No, it is a biggie though. Directional troweling to a strip drain is a biggie. I'm using a 15mm trowel. It's probably worn to a 14. Okay, DIYers, do you see the sense in that? You have your water, it soaks through the grout line, it hits a groove and runs down here under the waste, under the strip drain and into the hole. All the water on the surface, on the top of the tile, is running into the strip drain and then down the hole. But you always get water running through your grout line. Your tile is waterproof most of the time, but not your grout unless you're using epoxy, and we don't really need to go there. Oh, have I done that the right way? No, I haven't. I nearly laid it the wrong way, fool. Okay, so we'll just pop that down without moving the aluminium. Nice. See, oh, I haven't got my clips. Pop a little bit of glue there just to, because it's a smaller piece, just needs a little bit of support, because my glue is a little bit soft this morning. When I do splits in a tile, I don't make a habit of clipping it because it accentuates the grout line too much. I try to get a tight fit. You just gently wriggle your tile into position. Wipe your finger on your shorts. Yep, Crusoe. Yep. Always making sure that it's lovely to the touch, that it's dead smooth to the touch, because you've got bare feet in this shower. So make it beautiful to the touch. I'll be back in a sec. I'll just go out and get my clips. Right, here we go. I've got some clips, wedges, we're good to go. Get your glue away from the edge, like so. Slap a mail order clip in. I tell you, I love my job, I really do, because it gives me so much pleasure in presenting something to people, and they are just like, you do your very best and they know it, and you got a beautiful job. You've done it from your heart, and they also know that, and they can see the effort that's gone into it and how lovely it looks. It's a real buzz. Push that along a bit so it fits in. Get in there, buddy. Nice. I'll get a sponge in a minute. Just checking that. Just making sure it's nice. And that's lovely. Right. Let's clip that sucker together. Go a little bit higher. With that silicone. Oh, good. Wipe your finger on the floor, then on your shorts, and you're good to go. Right, well, I'm set for my next row now. Like that. I've mitered that edge so it gets me up and close And it's bloody beautiful. I like it. Okay, so I've got to cut out my waste. And then I can pop these tiles down and oh, the rest is a breeze. I don't want to, like I said before, I don't want to lean over. It's so easy to do it the next day. And quicker. Alright people, we'll catch up with you on the next run. Don't forget to subscribe. You will learn heaps. It's Chris O here. This is just the beginning. See ya.